In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a scenario in Make. If you're new to Make or simply looking to streamline your workflow by duplicating scenarios, you're in the right place. We'll take you through each step to ensure that you can easily clone your scenarios with confidence and ease. Let's get started. First and foremost, ensure that you're logged into your Make account. Once you've entered your authentication details, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. It's essential that you're on this main page, as it's your central hub from which you'll access all the features and scenarios you've created. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the Scenarios tab. This is where Make keeps all your automated workflows organized and accessible. Click on this tab and you'll be presented with a list of all the scenarios you have either created or have access to. This section is essentially the beating heart of your workflow automation in Make. When you have located the scenario you'd like to duplicate, look to the right of its title. You'll see 3 vertical dots. These dots are your gateway to additional options related to that particular scenario. Give them a click. A drop-down menu will appear showing a few different choices of what you can do with the scenario. Among the options in this drop-down menu, you'll see the Clone option. This is exactly what we're looking for to duplicate the scenario. Go ahead and click on Clone. This action will initiate the duplication process. As soon as you hit Clone, you'll be prompted to name your new scenario. It's important to choose a name that reflects the purpose or the modifications of the duplicated scenario so you can distinguish it easily in the future. Take a moment to consider the most appropriate name that aligns with your organized system of scenarios. After you've entered the name for your clone scenario, direct your attention to the Save button. This button is usually located at the bottom of the prompt. Clicking Save will finalize the duplication process and ensure that your new scenario is created and safely stored under the same section as the original. And there you have it. You've successfully duplicated a scenario in Make. Whether you did this to test changes without altering the original or to use a template structure for a new process, you now have 2 scenarios that can be manipulated independently of each other. Remember, duplicating scenarios can be a powerful tool to enhance your productivity and streamline your efforts in automating workflows. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to master Make and enhance your productivity workflow.